Okay.
Hello, Ronnie. Oh, my love. Yes. Oh, yes, oh, my love. Oh, yes. She was captured October 21, 1996 with my brother-in-law Sofronio. She is only 5 kilos and 5 feet before.
So loving,
Yeah, but now she's already more than 200 kilos.
How long is
11 years, 24 feet now.
Lovely boy. You gently now. This is Kifu, who's the silverback and his family. So I'm saying hello. He's surrounded by his wives and his children. He's very good-natured. No problem. Sometimes likes to play and have a tickle. Sometimes he just wants to sit back and relax. Sometimes he likes to play chase, but he looks a bit tired today. Don't you, eh? You lovely boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, you lovely boy. You are. No, don't put my no. This is his son and his daughter. This is Sang. And that's his little boy there, Kangu. Yes, come on. Oh, no, you can't pull my beard. Thinks he's tickling me now. Thinks I'm an honorary gorilla, I suppose. Friend of the family. Good friend. There's no doubt he'd protect me if someone attacked me, as I would him, undoubtedly. This is a command to stroke his back. Okay. Yeah, it's a gurgle there of contentment. Makes me a nest. Keeps him nice and warm. I mean, all animals are like humans, you know. Every 100 humans, you know, there's 1 or 2%, or possibly even more, are unpleasant and untrustworthy. And, you know, a few percent are absolutely gentle and very sweet. Kifu's very, very gentle. I mean, he's a wild gorilla, so he is.
好噻，拿着，哦，拿好。哎呀，你靠到我咋的？靠到我咋的？给你抱一下，给你抱一下，哈。哎呀，靠到。啊，拿着，拿好吧。再吃一口，快点。好了，好了，好了，不给你了。好了，好了，好了，哦，耶！哎，不放了，不放了。好了，好了，好了，好了。好了，好了，好了。哇呀，非常好！给你买了。得，哎，对了，我要出去了。好了，现在黑了。走了。
Put it on something for now. Then Adam said they would change it to a net. Gosh, he likes you. Really cool. It's a good sign. Really? What are you up to?
I'm crushing your backpack. Yeah. Oh, you really want to cuddle.
Oh my gosh.
Cataloca has grown a little bit. Ya está grande la Catalina. Creció la Cata. Dile, ay no, eres la Jade. Eres la Jadelonga. Eres la Jadelonga. La Jadelonga. La Jadelonga. Tiki, 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 tiki. Hola, mami. Hola. Miren. Miren. Órale, tiki, tiki. Vente. Jade. A ver si se viene. Vente. 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 Hola, Jade. Hola, mami. ¿Quién es mi niña bonita? ¿Quién es mi Jade preciosa? Hola, Nicolita. Hola. Hola, hola, hola. Hola, mami. No, sin cachetado. Hola. Besitos a su papá. Besitos, besitos. Besitos, que salga el cuerpo entero tantito. ¡Ay, no, se loca! Sin morder a su papá. Sin morder a su papá. ¡Au! ¡No! ¡No! Pinche gata loca, pinche Nicolota. Vete, mami. No, vete, besitos. Jade. Hola. Está bueno. Hola. Jade. La Jade longa, la Jade longa. Hola, mami. ¡Au! Jade. ¡Ah! ¿Estás loca o qué? Ya. Órale.
Nice. There you go. Oh, you got it? Oh, you okay?
Oh yeah, just my glasses.
There, I got your
You got
glasses.
them? Thank you.
You alright?
Yeah, he didn't hurt me. He just knocked my glasses
You got
off.
some nice mud under your eye, but...
That's okay.
Alright, so everyone knows about what that jump feels like. He usually doesn't do it so quickly.
You're just so excited.
That's Sabine, up there on the hill. So
Okay.
you okay?
Oh, he's so happy.
Dakota.
There you go. And like I said, don't be afraid to block him or push him off. And if you don't think you can take his jumping strength, I do suggest that you stand against that fence. You have a beard, I told you.
I
There's Sabine behind you.
Hey, Dakota.
Wenn man ein Ring ist.
Pretty big.
Ja. Nou, I'm serious. Keiner schmust mit hier. Ja, women don't like. Alle laufen weg.
No.
Good. That's right. Good.
He's covered.
Good.
For the first time,
Good.
the size of this bear,
I know, me too. I was like, what?
Oh, you're good. You know, he pulled that out of himself for us. You know that? Oh, boy, Marty. Give me a break. Get off. Good boy. No more one. Stay up. Good. Good. He no more wanted to do that. Good boy.
Kidding me?
You're a good sit. Thank you. Bart. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You're good.
Ow.
You're good. You're good. You're good. Good boy. You're good. Good boy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.